leave slow, like a lamp that never dies. Small hands, small steps, planting seeds inside my cold coins in the jar. One more call to the ones who wrote me hope. Morning pages stretch my spine, say the days belong to me. Little faith, little grit, stack up like a quiet sea. I fold the hurt into prayers, tuck stubborn dreams in neat. Walk away from cheap lights, keep the things that keep me sweet. Future knocking soft, I open with a nod. Leave the stones, lift the stones, let the small work do the job.
Do something today your future self will thank you for. I know the seat is safe, see the door you left unlocked before. Do something so patient, build a map, not just a score. Your future self will smile, your future self will sing once more.
Skip the easy vices, buy a book instead of clocks. Learn a line in another tongue, plant trees beside the block. Say I'm sorry to the mirror, forgive the hands that hurt the most. Write a list for 5 years, hence a letter from your ghost. Pay the rent of time with care, commute slow, repair the seams. Clean the corners of the heart so the light can find your dreams. Tidy your small rooms tonight. Turn the lamp on low, fold the day into a lighted box. Future you was waiting, sipping patience like slow tea. To open it and breathe, they'll say thank you, you were kind of me.
Do something today your future self will thank you for.
Call the one you love, quit the habit that kept breaking doors.
Leave a note, plant a tree, learn the rule that sets you free. Your future self will buy, your future self will come and say,
yeah, soft hands, steady hands, plant it, tend it, let it grow. Thank you, tomorrow I did my small work right. Store the quiet in your pockets, walk 'em slow with open palms. Every small you is a letter, every seed a future karma. When the night folds up its wings and morning opens doors, your future self will stand and whisper thank you more.
Alarm like a drum, I press the city into my palms. Cold coffee, warm plans, I wear my stubborn like a charm. Text threads, buzzing, dreams stacking like I'm paid rent. But I got a map in my pockets and a promise I won't bend. Tie my hair back, line my goals like targets on the wall. 1 foot out the door and I'm answering the call. Small wins pile up like coins in a jar. I keep on my dresser, every little dumb becomes my loudest dresser. They say slow down, but slow's a word I can't afford. I trade sweet maybes for the echo of reward. Heartbeat syncs with the traffic, with the pulse of what I want. I'm building midnight monuments from every little dawn. Wake up with determination, feel the fire in my lungs. Move like I own every minute until the city songs are sung. Go to bed with satisfaction, let the daylight in my bones. Count the breaths, count the battles, come home with trophies, not loans. Wake up with determination, leave the doubts on the run. Build a life with my hands till the horizon says I've won. Yeah. Meetings, mic checks, the small talk smells like fear. I traded for sweat for noise, for the music in my ear. Lunch is a victory, not a break from the race. I write my name in neon across every quiet space. Text back later, I'm finishing lines, I'm closing loops. I stitch my failures into lessons in my moving shoes. Call it stubborn, call it hungry, call it by any name. But at night, my pillow whispers the same, you came. Nah, every day's gold. Some days are paper thin, but I fold the corners, fold it out and fold it back again. Victory's a slow drum, but the cadence is my creed. I'm sowing seeds to finish for a future that I need. Wake up with determination, feel the fire in my lungs. Move like I own every minute until the city songs are sung. Go to bed with satisfaction, let the daylight in my bones. Count the breaths, count the battles, come home with trophies, not loans. Wake up with determination.
Stop it! No, sir. No,